friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry creamy agua fresca that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This creamy strawberry agua fresca, these are my ingredients. I have strawberry extract, color, flavor, concentrate, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 can of condensed milk, strawberry quick, Nesquik, water, and strawberries. This is everything you need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. I want to start first preparing the strawberries. With this little gadget, I am removing the stems and I'm not removing any of the pulp of the strawberry. Look at this. I am going to continue removing all the little stems. I have in total 3 cups of strawberries to make this amazing and creamy strawberry agua fresca. Creamy and delicious. Now that I have disinfected and rinsed them very well, I am ready to add them to my NutriBullet. The NutriBullet I use here is only for my aguas frescas. So my aguas frescas don't come out spicy because you know I love spicy food. And here I am going to just add enough water to cover it and let's blend away. We're going to blend it for just a couple minutes. It really doesn't take too long to blend. And once this is done, let's transfer it to a glass cup so you could see the texture and you could see everything that I'm going to add into this mixture. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of water to the NutriBullet cup, and now I'm ready to add 2 tablespoons of Nesquik, strawberry Nesquik, 1 splash of the strawberry extract, color, and flavor. And I'm going to incorporate it really good. You want to incorporate these 2 ingredients before you add your simple syrup. You add your evaporated milk, your condensed milk. How to make your simple syrup: 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. Boil it until the sugar has dissolved and it comes to room temperature so that you add it into your aguas frescas. And look at this. This is going to give it such an amazing and delicious flavor. Once you add your milks, just incorporate really good. And then this is ready. In total, I used 1 liter of regular water. And of course, the ingredients that you just saw that I added into this mixture. Look at this. This is so creamy and delicious. And the flavor of the strawberry is so concentrated that I'm sure you're going to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for being part of my family. Of course, to the picture, I'm going to add enough ice. Of course, my family's here, so I'm adding enough ice to my pitcher. But if my family was not home, I was just going to add just the agua fresca, no ice, so I don't dilute my agua fresca, the strawberry. Look at this. This looks so amazing. You could really smell the aroma of the strawberry, really concentrated, nice and creamy. Of course, I'm just going to top it with a strawberry right on the top. And then I'm ready to prepare my glass. Look how beautiful this looks. Really creamy, really delicious. And of course, with this hot weather, who doesn't want to enjoy an amazing homemade agua fresca? And of course, I have my glass here. I'm adding some ice spears so it looks fancy. And the agua fresca is going to get really chilled, really cold. Look at this. Just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and creamy agua fresca of strawberry. Look at this. I am ready to enjoy. Excuse me. So creamy, so delicious. Just amazing for this hot weather. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for always giving me your support. I will stay enjoying this amazing agua fresca of strawberry, nice and creamy and really refreshing. See you soon. Bye-bye.